What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I'm going to open up this hobby box of 2020 Heritage Minor League. Did pretty good last year on the couple boxes that I got. Also pulled this Redemption Wander Franco on-card autograph out of a pack that I bought over in Arizona at a hobby shop. So let's go ahead and see what kind of luck I have this year. So here it says we've got 18 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, and we've also got one on-card autograph plus one autograph or memorabilia card. I think there's also a chance of getting an autograph on these box toppers too. So let's go ahead and save that one for the end. All right, let's do this. First pack. Jonathan Stever, Jordan Groshans, Edward Cabrera. Got this scratch off of Anthony Volpe. That's kind of cool. Daniel Johnson, Dylan File, Paul Campbell, and Zach Lothar, pitching leaders. Max Lazar and Jordan Brewer. A lot of these guys I'm not quite familiar with yet. I'm seeing a lot of names that I don't recognize from last year's release. Was actually able to put together a full set from the packs that I ripped last year. Okay, we got a Khalil Lee, Blake Walston, batting leaders, J.B. Bukowskis, Jeter Downs, Hudson Heat, Matthew Allen, Christian Adams hits go-ahead home run. All right. Next up. Forrest Whitley, Cody Hose, Riley Green, Nick Lodolo, Jarren Duran, Ryan Rollison, Bobby Dalbec, and Aaron Bracho. Andy Pages, Nico Holsizer, Luis Matos. Get another scratch off. Oh, there's a Bobby Witt Jr. That's pretty cool. Victor Mesa, TJ Sakema, Ronnie Mauricio, and Grayson Rodriguez. Brian Mata, Bryce Terang, Gabriel Rodriguez, Josh Young, Brenton Doyle, Brock Deathridge, Ezekiel Duran, and Isaac Paredes. Ryan Mountcastle, Terran Vavra, Liover Peguero, Jeremiah Jackson, Chris Bubik, Ildemaro Vargas, Brennan Malone, and Bryson Stott. We got a Brent Rooker, Jackson Rutledge, Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Cannon Smith, Ezekiel Duran, blue, numbered in 99. Bryce Wilson, CJ Chatham, and Shane Baz. Okay. See if we can pull one of those Wander Franco cards. I think there's a short print. There's some short prints in here too. Okay, we got an Antonio Cabello, Abitel Avellino hits walk-off, Parker Meadows, runs leaders. We got a little mini here of Mackenzie Gore. That's kind of cool. Didn't have these last year. All right. Matt Wallner, Edward Olivares, and Keone Cavasco. Cavasco bringing heat like Tabasco. Okay, Hunter Bishop, Matt Manning, Gabriel Cancel. Congratulations, you've won a chance. What is this? You've received a chance to make your pro debut with the Lehigh Valley Iron Pigs. All right, can't wait for that. Hudson Potts, Matthew Libertor, Ulrich Bokjarski, and a Brian Rocchio. Next pack. Cal Raleigh. Bradley Zimmer hits go-ahead 3-run homer. Andres Jimenez. Oh, there's our auto. Tariq Skubal. Okay. Don't know much about Tariq. Owen Miller. Daniel Espino. Cameron Meisner. And Leody Taveras. Jared Oliva, Tyler Freeman, Brady Singer, Matthew Lugo, another mini. Well, this time we got Josh Young. That's a good one. Nice. These are pretty cool. Tristan McKenzie. They look a little wide, though. I don't know if those are going to fit into the mini top loaders. Peyton Burdick, Ryan Lavarnway. Still looking for our relic or possible auto relic. Alexander Canario, Aaron Ashby, Gray Kessinger, Shea Langoliers, Alec Thomas, Nolan Jones. Well, that one's kind of cool. How it's vertical. Dominic Fletcher, Devi Garcia. O'Neal Cruz, Ian Anderson, Dylan Carlson, Jordan Adams. We got another one of these chances to win. George Kirby, Royce Lewis, and Sherton Apostle. Monty Harrison, Cole Winn, Sixto Sanchez. Ooh, nice. Got one of these minis of Wander Franco. Wow. That might be the hit of the box so far. Cool. Josh Lowe, Michael Bush, Gabriel Arias, and Anthony Volpe. Still waiting on our second hit. I think this might be it, or there's something in. So another one of those. Oh, that might be one of those scratch cards. Okay, we got a Miguel Amaya, Kiba Ruiz, Estevan Florial. Yeah, that's what it was. Scratch off. Grant Cambrell, Braden Shoemake, Ivan Herrera, Seth Beer, Alek Manoah. All right, we got 3 packs left, and we still got our box topper. So we're still looking for our second hit, possible relic or possible auto. We will soon find out. We got a Vidal Brujan, Tommy Henry, Alec Bohm, DJ Hall, DL Hall, I'm sorry. Hunter Bishop scratch off. Got a lot of these scratch offs in this box, huh? Jonathan India, Julio Rodriguez, and Spencer Howard. All right. Well, looks like our second hit's going to be in that last pack, because I don't see anything thick here that would resemble a relic, unless we did end up getting 2 autos. Grant Gambrell, JJ Goss, Sean, I have no idea how to pronounce that. Luis Patino, Aurelvis Martinez, Luis Gill, and Logan Driscoll, and a Dalton Varsho. Okay, well, it looks like our second hit's going to be in this last pack. Kind of interesting how it worked out that way. Huh. Did we get screwed on our second hit? Interesting. Well, maybe there's an autograph. Let's see. Elhuris Montero, Kyle Muller, Shane McClanahan, Ryan Weathers, Sacramento River Cats celebrate, Austin Beck, minor league ERA leaders, and Daz Cameron. Hey, I'm gonna have to look back through these cards, guys. I don't think I got a second hit. Maybe I missed something. Maybe since they already have the facsimile autographs on there, I didn't notice, but I'm sure I'll figure it out after this video, and who's ever watching will point out my mistake. I hoping I made a mistake, because that would suck if they gypped me on a hit. Oh well, so let's go ahead and open up this box topper. Oh cool, we got a JJ Bleday. That's pretty cool. One of the game's greatest moments. One down, plenty more to go. All right, well, let's do a quick little recap of these cards I put to the side here. All right, let's start with these 3 minis that I got. I got a Mackenzie Gore mini, Josh Young, and Wander Franco. So I did pretty good on these little mini guys. They're really cool too. I like these little mini cards. And our autograph was this Tariq Skubal from the Seawolves. And here I've got the Orelvis Martinez, Jonathan India, Julio Rodriguez, Hunter Bishop scratch off, Braden Shoemake, Miguel Amaya, Hebert Ruiz, Anthony Volpe, Sixto Sanchez, Sherton Apostle, Royce Lewis, Ezekiel Duran, blue number to 99, Josh Young, Bobby Witt Jr. scratch off, Andy Pages, and Anthony Volpe. So I'm going to go ahead and look through these cards after I'm done shooting this video and try and figure out what I missed. And I will leave a comment down below once I figure it out. Okay, thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And hey, I appreciate you guys. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Peace.